Hello guys, good morning. Inaayos ko na yung pinagtulugan ko at aalis na ako. See you next time. I'm leaving today. Bye-bye, Nona. I'm leaving today. So, eto yung kanyang room. Okay. Malungkot man isipin, pero hindi talaga ako dito. Kaya guys, nalulungkot ako, pero wala tayong magagawa dahil hindi ko to bahay. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Okay. Okay guys, thank you.